Want to make your videos look cinematic and professional? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth cinematic intro in Capcut, step by step. First, let's add our text. Click on Text, then drag and drop the default text onto the timeline. Type in your title or intro text. Now let's style it. Click on Basic and select the Heaven font for a cinematic look. Go to Effects and choose the 3D effect to make the text pop. Back in Basic, pick any color you like for your text. Next, we'll prepare the text for animation. Right-click on the text layer and select Create Compound Clip. Go to Video, then Basic, and click on Add Mask. Choose the film strip mask, rotate it, and increase the feather for a smooth fade. Move the mask to the right position. Now let's animate the mask. Add a keyframe at the start, then move the playhead to the end of the text layer. Create another ending keyframe and move the mask to finish the animation. We'll also add some scaling for cinematic motion. Create a keyframe for scale at the start and reduce the size. Then, at the end, add another keyframe and increase the scale. Finally, let's add a glow effect for a professional touch. Go to Effects, search for Glow, and add the Edge Glow effect to your text layer. Now play the video and enjoy your cinematic intro. And that's it. Your cinematic intro is ready. Thanks for watching.